Welcome to the online exam process of Currency Cycle Association. We will provide you some information about your online exam in this video. You will be able to understand your online exam process after watching this video. Your exam will be of 60 minutes. There will be 20 to 25 questions. Based on the question type, each right answer will carry 4 to 5 marks. There will be no negative marking system in your online exam. Please understand the system requirements for appearing your online exam. Your internet connection should have at least 1 Mbps internet speed to appear your exam efficiently. You can use your laptop, your PC or any other device with working webcam. The operating system of your PC should be Windows 7 or above. Before you appear your exam, please update your Chrome browser. Before you start your exam, please make sure that your machine is working perfectly. Your webcam also should be in working condition. You will not be able to attempt your online exam if your webcam is not working. You can check whether your webcam is working or not by using this link. You need to open this link in your Chrome browser. Before you start your exam, you will be asked for preferred language. You need to choose your preferred language. Two languages are available. First is English and second is Hindi. Throughout the exam, all the questions will be shown to you in your preferred language. You can choose your preferred language only once for one exam. Once you start your exam, you cannot change your language. If you switch your window during your exam, you will be displayed with this kind of warning. If you keep switching windows, then there are chances of termination of your exam. To appear your online exam, you need to log in first. After this, you need to select your preferred language. Please allow permissions for webcam. Now click on the green button to capture your photo. Then verify your photo accordingly. To capture your photo again, click on capture photo button once again. After clicking your second photo, click on confirm image and proceed button. After you confirm your photo, you will be directed towards this page. On this page, all the exams that have been assigned to you will be visible. Read the exam related instructions and information like start date, expiry date, number of question. After verifying that, click on proceed button to proceed for your exam. Here you can verify your name. For this, you need to click on I agree and click on confirm button. Once you click on confirm button, your exam will get started. For each question, there will be 3 possible right answer. You need to click on the right answer. On the start of exam, the first question will be displayed to you. For this question present on screen, you need to read the question carefully and need to choose one of the 3 answers which are provided here. In case you are confused between 2 or more answers for that particular question, you can mark that question for review. For this, you need to click on review button. There are 2 buttons available at the bottom of screen. If you click on previous button, the last question or the previous question will be available to you. When you click on save and next button, the next question will be displayed to you. In case you are confused between 2 questions, you can mark that question for review. You can change the answer option till the end of exam. At the top right of screen, there is one timer. That timer denotes the time till completion of your exam. As you proceed the exam, this time will get reduced. In this exam, I still have 58 minutes till completion of my exam. At the middle right of screen, exam question buttons are available. The current question, that is the question that you are attempting currently, will be displayed with red color. Once you attempt any question and move to next question, the attempted question will be marked with green color. The questions that you have not attempted will be displayed with gray color. If you have marked any question for review, it will be shown with purple color. Now we will see how we can end our ongoing exam. Once you jump to the last question, submit test button will be available to you. Once you are done with your online exam, click on submit test button. Now you will be displayed with test summary. This test summary will contain number of attempted question, not attempted question, attempted and marked for review question, not attempted and marked for review question. Below that there are two buttons available. If you don't want to submit your exam, you can click on no button and can review the questions again. But if the allotted exam time is over, the exam will get auto submitted. Once you click on yes button, your exam will get submitted and you will not be allowed to continue your exam again. So before you click on submit button and click on yes, please make sure that you have attempted all the questions which were supposed to be attempted by you.
परीक्षा पूर्ण होने के उपरांत आपके कंप्यूटर
Once you click on yes button, your test will get submitted. After that, this kind of screen will be visible to you. Here, the summary of attempted, not attempted, marked for review question will be available to you. After that, you can log out of the system. Thanks for watching this video and best of luck for your online exams.